Hey guys, welcome back to the Kinemaster YouTube channel. Now today, I have a super cool editing hack that you guys are gonna love. So if you guys ever get bored at home and wanna play tic-tac-toe or a game against yourself, I'm gonna show you how you can use the Kinemaster app to play tic-tac-toe against yourself in the mirror. With Kinemaster's amazing editing technology, we are able to create this awesome new video, and for sure, this video is gonna go viral. So if you guys wanna learn how to play a game against yourself with Kinemaster editing, make sure you guys watch the tutorial, and I hope you guys like it.
So let's open the Kinemaster app. You see the new interface of the 5.0 version. Tap Create New and choose the aspect ratio of the project. I'm going to be posting this on short video platforms, so I'm going to choose 9:16. Select the media and import the first video clip from your album and then press OK. You're going to need to add your second video as a layer. So click Layer and add the second video and drag it under the original video. So you can see the second layer is covering part of the first layer. Adjust the size of the frame to match the first layer. Now you're going to want to tap Split Screen, and then we are going to go for the option that is all the way on the bottom left, where 1/2 is white and 1/2 is black. You're going to want to adjust the line so that it's perfectly lined up where nothing is getting cut off and everything is perfectly visible in the video. You can always adjust the speed or trim your other videos just to make sure everything flows smoothly. Once your video is perfect, let's save the final video as an MP4 file and export the video to the camera roll on the phone. Tap this button in the upper right corner and select the desired resolution and frame rate. And tap Export and wait a few seconds and you'll see the output video on the list. Open your camera roll and you'll see the video is saved there. If you want to work on this project on other devices that also have the Kinemaster app, you can save the project with all the digital assets. How to do it? Open the main screen, click the See All on My Projects. On this corner, you can rename and export the project to iCloud Drive. In order to access and manage your iCloud files, you will need to use the app called Files. This app is made by Apple and is free. It is the native app that it generally comes standard when you set up your iPhone. If for some reason you don't have it, go to the Apple Store and search for the blue folder and download it. Now let's rename the project to Mirror Magic and then save this to KM folder. You can create new folders to organize your files.
All right, you guys, that is the end of this tutorial for some Mirror Magic playing tic-tac-toe against yourself. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial and learned a bunch of tips and tricks from using the Kinemaster app itself. If you guys have not, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Kinemaster YouTube channel as well. And I'll see you guys all in the next tutorial.